What insect are we going to do a craft for now? The caterpillar. That's right. And you can make it into a butterfly. That's right. So we'll first start with the caterpillar part. Now this is easy. You can just use paper if you don't have what I have. You could use a balloon for the caterpillar. You could use a pipe cleaner. If you have a pipe cleaner, this is a really big fuzzy one. I just wrapped it around my finger. Wrapped it around and around and around and around and around. And then when I take it off of my finger, I just slide it off. It makes a fuzzy, chubby little caterpillar. There we go. Okay, now I can choose if I want to use this as my fuzzy little caterpillar, or if I want to use the balloon, or if I want to just cut out a caterpillar shape. And you could do that even on a paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube. I'll show you how easy that would be. So I'm going to just make it that long. And I'm just going to give it a little shape. Give it a rounded head. And go in and out for the body. In and out, in and out, and around. In and out, in and out. Just moving your scissors back and forth, and around. And there we go. That can be your little caterpillar shape. And then you can put that down like that. Okay, I'm going to show you with this balloon. I'm just going to glue my balloon in place right over the middle part of that plate. And then if you have cupcake liners or coffee filters, you can use those to make the wings when you're done with your caterpillar. And if you used the cardboard, then you can make a face on it, some antenna, and color it all different colors. Give it some stripes for its body, or you can just color it all one color. And if you have cupcake liners, you flatten them out. I have 2 of them because we have 2 sets of wings. And I put them on top of each other, and then I fold it in half. Then I'm going to cut that, and you'll see that I've made 2 wings that are the same. That's something we know about butterflies. They have wings that are the same. So just cut that out carefully. Okay, so then when I cut it, it's going to look like this little shape. And it's just going to be 2 and 2. And then I'll open it up. And you've got wing shapes. Okay friends, I'm just finishing coloring my wings. I'm trying to make them look kind of the same because the wings will be the same on one side as the other. Okay, so a little bit of purple in here, a couple little dots. There. Now those look the same. I got mine a little wet to let the colors spread out a little bit. And then once it was wet, then I just took a paper towel and I just dabbed it to help it dry faster. Now you could just let it dry completely, or you can do what I'm doing and just dab all the color there. There we go. Now I think they look really close to the same. And then I can fold them in half. And then I can attach them for my butterfly. I might want to glue down that bottom layer. So I'm just going to put a stripe of blue next to my caterpillar, and then I just want one part of that pressed down. There. And I want to get it really close to that balloon or whatever you choose to use for your caterpillar body. Now I'm going to take a permanent marker and I'm going to make my face and my antenna right on my paper. So my antennae are going to come up. How many antennae does the caterpillar have? 2. That's right. I'll give them antennae that come out a line with a circle at the top. Okay. And then I'm going to draw a face on that balloon, on the big part of the balloon. You can choose whatever kind of face you want it to be. I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit so I have a place to draw. Mom and Dad can help you with that. Or you can draw on it before you glue it down too. I'm just going to give its eyes are going to be closed. So I'm just going to do 2 U shapes. A little circle for the nose. And just a little smile. Turned into a butterfly. There it is. So cute. Now there's another butterfly craft you can do. I just loved painting the rocks. So I found this kind of long shape of a rock that I thought looked like the middle of the butterfly, the caterpillar body. So I already went ahead and painted that white. Then I found these kind of broken pieces and I painted them all white. And those I thought could be the wings. And this is where you can just be creative and decide where you'd want them and what colors you want to make them. Because now you can just use all your different marker colors and make it really pretty. And then you could put this out in your garden or in a pot by a flower or just inside your house on your desk or your dresser. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add a body and a face to this and color my wings. Maybe you could find some shapes like that and make your own caterpillar and butterfly wings. Okay friends, there's my caterpillar. I colored him green just with regular markers, and then I used a permanent marker to give him a face. I even put glasses on him to help me remember that caterpillars can't see very well. I have to wear glasses or contacts to see better. Now I'm going to work on his colorful wings. I wonder what colors I should use. What would you do? Oh, that sounds awesome. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay friends, are you ready to see my rock butterfly? I decided to use this pretty blue color. It's my favorite. And some orange. And this cool purple pink color. And there it is. Have fun making your own caterpillar and butterfly.